They say the desert is a place of secrets, waiting for the right moment to tell them. This January, after the winter rains kissed the parched earth of San Diego's backyard, the secret was out. Just an hour and a half east of the city, the floor of the Anza-Borrego Desert transformed into a living tapestry. It was a day of contradictions. Above us, the sky was locked in a tug of war, half shrouded in heavy rain-laden clouds, while the other half beamed with golden sunlight. And then there was the wind. It swept through the canyon with a restless energy, turning the wildflower fields into a rhythmic, pulsing ocean. The flowers didn't just sit there, they danced. Among the brush, 3 distinct voices led the choir. First, a desert lily, standing tall with its pristine white petals and striking green stripes, looking almost too elegant for the rugged terrain. Then, the desert dandelion, splashing bright, cheerful yellow across the sand. These aren't your backyard weeds. They are hardy survivors with delicate, sun-soaked heads. But the stars of the show? The sand verbena. These low-growing clusters of vibrant purple are, in my opinion, the absolute best part of the bloom. They create these intense carpets of violet that pop up against the muted desert tones, smelling faintly of honey if you can catch a scent between the gusts of wind. Being at the Henderson Canyon Road wildflower area feels like stepping into a masterpiece. It's the perfect day trip, a quick escape from the urban hustle into a world that feels prehistoric and fresh all at once. Whether you're a photographer chasing the light or just someone looking for a reminder of nature's resilience, this early bloom is a gift. It's a fleeting, beautiful moment where the desert breathes in color. If the wildflower fields are the desert's soul, the Badlands are its bones. Just a short drive from the blooms lies a landscape that looks like it belongs on another planet. Standing here on the edge of the canyon, you realize how small you really are. I walked along the high ridges, looking out over a maze of carved earth and ancient sediment. From the sky's perspective, the terrain looked like a crumpled velvet. From the cliff's edge, it's a breathtaking drop into a silent, sun-drenched history. It's raw, it's jagged, and it is undeniably beautiful. You don't just look at the Badlands, you feel them. It's a place that demands you stop, breathe, and wonder. If you haven't stood on this edge yet, what are you waiting for?